Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't worry, that was a fake skull. It's one of Tim's props that he has out all year round. Today's video, I am going to be showing you how I transform these absolutely terrible plastic cheap £1 from Poundland skulls and make them into something fabulous. So if you'd like to see how I did it, keep on watching. This is literally everything I'm going to be using in this video. So I have got my Poundland skulls and I've got my hot glue gun. They are the two main ingredients, and then I've got my silver paint and I've got my black chalkboard paint. That is all you need for this really simple, fun DIY. I mean, it's definitely not going to be quick. You're going to need patience, which is something I'm still working on. But yeah, let's get into the video. These skulls really are the best we can do here in the UK. They are rubbish. But I still love anything to do with skulls. They're the green plastic ones from Poundland. So yeah, the plan is to hot glue a pattern on the whole thing, which is going to take some time, but the end result, hopefully, if it's how I picture it in my head, will be worth it. Now, if you want to, you can mark out your pattern with a pen. Okay, that's some pattern drawn out, so I'm just gonna start with the hot glue gun and just be safe, people. Stop there and just kind of stare at it for a while just to see if I need to fill in any spaces. I'm not going to worry about doing the back, but what I might do is just carry on some of the skull lines that are in here, like the veins and things like that. Might do. But yeah, I'm going to have a look and then I'm going to start on the other one. This is what they look like side by side. I've finished this one. I've just added a couple of dots at the bottom on the chin. This one I've just gone over with some pen just to make it slightly different to the other one so that they are different. Yeah. Okay. They're slippery. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this one now with the hot glue. Probably won't film it because I don't really want to bore you guys, but yeah, we're gonna come back when these are ready to spray. Okay, so that is both of those done. For this one I just did a completely different top. I put large glue dots. If you can hear my washing machine, sorry, but yeah, so lots of differences in both of them. The problem I've got right now is that it is pouring down here in Essex and I don't quite know how I'm going to spray these guys, but I think an umbrella is going to have to do it. So so this is what they look like once they've been sprayed. Guys, let me know what you think. At this point, I'm already loving them, absolutely loving them. So the fun now begins to just highlight all of those raised surfaces. Take your professional stipple brushes and sponges and basically cut it up so that you've got just a nice little hand-sized piece of sponge that you want to be able to dab all over. I am using this Artiste acrylic paint. I get these from the range. They're really cheap and they're actually really cute paints. They come in these little bottles. So I'm going to pour some onto my paper and just dab on, but also dab off. I don't want to saturate the sponge. Okay, here is the fun part. This is where your creations come to life. What they look like completely finished. I absolutely love them. They've turned out way better. I was worried about glue spillage and glue strings and just being really messy with the glue, but you know, there are areas like this where the glue is a little shabby, but still absolutely love them. They're just a world away from where they began, and I adore this kind of Halloween, this sugar skull style spookiness. But you can take this so much further if you're really into gems and sparkly and all of that. You really can bling these out. I was thinking about doing the eyes, but gonna leave it here. It's hard for me to say, but I'm gonna down tools and leave these right here. These are gonna go on the bookshelves with all of my apothecary bottles that I made last year. I've got some more coming up for you this year, so if you'd like to see those, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. So I am gonna love and leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've stayed to the end. Congratulations if you have. Let me know if you stay to the end. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.